how to take profits from your crypto, your investment. I'm going to give basically 2 easy scenarios that anybody can at least learn from, or at least take it in. Just take it all in. And let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Saitama, Shiba, Bitcoin, it doesn't even matter what it is, but we're gonna go over scenarios in terms of like taking that profit as well. So let's go to the Captain spreadsheet and break a scenario down. Even though I was looking at Saitama, I'm looking at the price and looking at areas that the possibility to take profit. So here's the scenario number 1. Basically, I have $500, right? The name of the project, let's call it Token. So Token, we purchased 1 trillion tokens from the name Token. And the price is this that you see there. It has 9 zeros in its price. So I'm excited, I'm really, excited about where this is going. I've done my research first, and then I made the initial investment. So total value, $500. There's no profit right now. So day 1, that's what I did. So as I continue to wait, did my research, did my, due diligence, I decided to wait. So scenario number 2 is like this. I wanted to invest in a actually token that has tokenomics. So you see there, added 1 million in tokenomics. So I did that about later on once the price started to move. So token now has went up in price. It shaved off a 0. And now my value is 5,401 cents, and my total profit is 4,901 cents. So now I subtracted the value from the amount I invested it in. And so now I'm sitting here like, this could be an opportunity to take profit. So now if I took out just half of this, I don't have to take half of this, just a piece of this, I can continue leaving the rest of it in there if I choose to do that. So if I said, okay, if I go here, and remember, I got tokenomics in there. If I say, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and take half of the profit. So now it's only 500 billion tokens. I can take profit of $2,200. I could sell half of that and take to $2,200. Good profit. But then again, I still have 500 billion left in my wallet or my exchange or any area that I'm keeping my tokens. So let's check this out again. Let's say I just want to take a small amount. So if I say, you know what, I'm going to just take a small amount here. Take a small amount. Let's see, half. So let's say I'm just taking, I'll go back here. It sounds like we're going to take 300 billion out. That's not bad. So basically, if I take out 300 billion out, I'll take the $1,120 in profit, then I still got 700 billion left in my wallet, plus I'm getting those tokenomics. So it's very important to consider taking profit, because a lot of times we think it's going to go to the moon tomorrow, next week, next month, and you need to follow what the cycle is. Like if I look at Saitama right now, it's going down to a lower price, but it's still fighting that actually movement. I'm not saying you should take profit when the price is down like this, but you should be considering when it does start to move, what are you going to do? And so you need to start thinking about that. From here, scenario number 1, I had 9 zeros, and I said my goal was wait to 1 0 to come off the board from Token Project. Once that does that and it gets to an area I wanted to take some profit. So if I sold 300 billion, I get $1,120, and I can go ahead if I say $1,120, that's my profit. That's my profit, because I take my initial investment out, plus I'll take more profit, and then I can go ahead and use that for something else. So watch this video a few times. You don't really understand it. Just keep it very, very simple. Maybe your scenarios could be, all right, I have 9 zeros and I want to do 7 zeros. So if let's say you want to do, okay, 7 zeros off the price, $15,000. So then I have to make the adjustment. I want to sell 300 billion out of my stack. Let's keep it that way. Now, 7 zeros. Profits $15,000 because that's my goal. And obviously, this will change your strategy a little bit, what you're going to do with it. So that's simple as that. Watch your stuff, track your information, and then definitely do your research, because the more educated you are with all this, the better you're going to feel better about your investment. All right, that's all I got right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. That $15,000 can pay those bills on that white kitchen table that near the mustard and the ketchup and a loaf of bread. Take that $15,000 and do something nice with it. Pay those bills off, even in the trash can. I know. I've done that too. But they end up calling me the next day and basically saying, hey, we need a payment. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Click on the link below. Get your E-Toro account. Get your Webull account. Be ready for the next movement. And I'll see you on the next video.